This tutorial will cover the difference between a Microsoft account compared to a local account in Windows 8, and how to convert an existing local account to a Microsoft account. When you create a new user account for a Windows 8 computer, you have the option to create a typical local account, like we always have in the past, or a new Microsoft account. A local account is the same type of account that we have long been accustomed to using in Windows. The account is set up on each Windows computer. Changing settings only affects the one computer, and won't follow you if you log on to another computer. A Microsoft account is a new type of account being introduced with Windows 8. If you're using a Microsoft account, you can log into any Windows 8 computer, and it will automatically sync up settings and apps. This will download and install your apps from the Windows Store, get online content in Microsoft apps automatically, and sync settings like interface customizations, browser favorites, and history. Accepted Microsoft account types are Hotmail.com, Live.com, and Outlook.com. If you prefer, you can also create a new Microsoft account linking to your Gmail or other email address. If you are trying to decide which account type to create, I would recommend creating a Microsoft account to use with Windows 8 because of the advantages it provides. I would assume that over time, Microsoft will continue to add more and more new features and benefits to using a Microsoft account. If you created a local account and you want to convert it to a Microsoft account, you can either add a new Microsoft account user to the system, or you can follow these steps to convert your existing local account to a Microsoft account. This will leave all of your files intact and just upgrade the account type from local to Microsoft. I will place a link on screen to another tutorial showing how to add a new Microsoft account user to a Windows 8 computer. First, we need to make sure that we are logged in as the user account we want to convert. If needed, log in as the correct account now. Open the charm bar. Click the Settings link. Click the Change PC Settings link at the bottom. In the PC Settings app, click the Users link. It will show the currently logged in user. In this case, the user is Jack Tutorials, and it's a local account. Click the Switch to a Microsoft account button. When asked to confirm your password, enter the password for the currently logged in local user account, and then click the Next button. You will be asked to enter your Microsoft account email address. If you already have an @hotmail.com, @live.com, or @outlook.com email address, then you already have a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account already, you can click on the Sign Up for a New Email Address link to create a new Hotmail or Live account. It doesn't give you the option here for some reason to create an Outlook.com account. You could also go online and sign up for a new Outlook.com account and then come back and continue. And that's what I'd recommend doing, as Microsoft seems to be pushing people away from Live and over to Outlook.com. After you've entered the email address, click the Next button. When prompted, enter the appropriate password for the Microsoft account. On the Add Security Info screen, you will be prompted to enter security information that can be used to help recover the password on this account if you ever lose it using either a phone number, alternate email address, or with a secret question. Enter the information that you want to use, if any, and then click the Next button. Now just click the Finish button to create the account. Now if we look underneath the account, we can see that it no longer says Local Account, and instead we now have a button that says Switch to a Local Account. This means that we're using a Microsoft account. Now all the Windows 8 apps will update and be linked directly with your Microsoft account. You should now have the necessary information to know the difference in benefits of a Microsoft account compared to a local account, and how to convert an already existing local account to a Microsoft account so that you don't lose your files.